Life on the lake just got a little better. Normandy Manor features 1 and 2 bedroom apartments nestled close to the waters of Lake Erie. Our great location in Mentor on the Lake puts you closer to the conveniences you need to make each day easier. From getting your errands done to having a weekend outing with friends and family, you'll have all the options you want when you live here. Mentor Beach Park is also within walking distance, offering hours of outdoor fun. Many major thoroughfares are also accessible for more timely commutes. At Normandy Manor, cats and small dogs are welcome. Our park-like community offers a serene setting you'll feel immediately comfortable in. The lush grounds feature a playground as well as a laundry facility. Assigned parking is also included. Generously sized 1 and 2 bedroom apartments provide you with the additional space you've been looking for. Our homes are newly updated and include free heat and water. Cable and internet are available, and each home comes with a fully equipped kitchen with up-to-date appliances. You'll also have ample closet space for better storage options, and mini blinds are included on all windows. Normandy Manor has so much to offer. Give us a call to schedule your tour of our community, and be sure to ask about our current specials.